Hi, Katie from Simply Earth, and I'm a certified aromatherapist, and I love using essential oils and teaching others how to use them. And today I'm going to talk about Simply Earth's Focus Essential Oil Blend. This oil is made up of frankincense, eucalyptus, sweet orange, and cardamom essential oils. I'm going to go into why each of these oils are in this blend, and then I'm going to tell you different ways to use it. One of the essential oils in this blend is frankincense. Frankincense is a favorite for those who meditate. It's in this blend for its mild earthy scent and its grounding effects. Another essential oil in this blend is orange. Orange is uplifting, it helps relieve anxiety that can happen when you're trying to solve a problem, and it boosts creativity to get those problems solved. Another oil in this blend is eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is known for its fresh aroma and it helps combat mental fatigue. The last oil in our focus blend is cardamom. It's spicy sweet, a lot like Indian food. It has an invigorating scent that helps promote mental clarity. There's a lot of cool stuff you can make with this blend. We'll link to recipes in the description box. You can make lip balm, or an aromatherapy rice bag, or we have tons more cool ideas in the description box. This blend should not cause problems with those with sensitive skin, just be sure to dilute it. You can use this oil for kids ages 10 and up. Avoid using this blend around cats or dogs because it could be harmful if ingested. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to get more videos just like this.